Attitude. The foundation of success is mindset. Thus, the attitude is a critical factor in success. What is attitude? Attitude is an overall inclination towards something. Attitude is our beliefs and feelings about objects, persons, ideas, and institutions. I repeat, attitude is our beliefs and feelings about objects, persons, ideas, and institutions. Thus, attitude are consciously held beliefs or opinions, positive or negative feelings, a stimulation for action. Attitude is a persistent tendency to feel and behave in a particular way towards some object. Various types of attitude are important, which are discussed here with some examples. Attitude to self. Examples are self-discipline, self-respect, self-development, self-knowledge, self-integrity, etc. Attitude to life. By our own thoughts, we can make or mar life. Some qualities are enthusiasm, optimism, calmness, humor, truthfulness, happiness, etc. Attitude towards others. There are certain positive feelings which are generosity, sympathy, politeness, friendliness, appreciation, and goodwill. There are certain negative feelings also: disgust, anxiety, misery, gloom. What is inside of us that makes us go up in our altitude? William James said, the greatest discovery of our generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitude of mind. A study found that where a person gets a job or a promotion, 85% of the time it is because of his or her attitude, and only 15% of the time because of intelligence and knowledge of specific facts and figures. Attitude is the most important. It applies to every sphere of our life: personal, family, and professional life. Parents, teachers, students, employees, employers cannot be good in their roles without a good attitude, that is positive attitude. The foundation of success, regardless of your chosen field of work, is attitude. Advantages of having a positive attitude for a person are: it makes a pleasing personality, it is energizing, it increases your enjoyment of life, it inspires others around you, it helps you become a contributing member of the society. Negative attitude. Life is an obstacle course, and we become our biggest obstacle by having a negative attitude. People with negative attitudes have a hard time keeping friendship, jobs, marriages, and relationships. Negative attitudes lead to bitterness, resentment, a purposeless life, ill health, high stress levels for themselves and others. Let us change our attitude. If we want to build and maintain a positive attitude, we need to consciously practice certain things. First of all, look for the positive. You need to become a seeker of good. You need to focus on the positive in your life. Start looking for what is right in a person or situation instead of looking for what is wrong. Because of our conditioning, most of us are so attuned to finding fault and looking for what is wrong that we forget to see the positive. Do it now. We have all procrastinated at some point of time in our lives. Procrastination leads to a negative attitude. The habit of procrastination fatigues you more than the effort it takes to do it. A completed task is fulfilling and energizing. An incomplete task drains energy. If we want to build and maintain a positive attitude, get into the habit of living in the present and do it now. Attitude of gratitude. Count your blessings, not your troubles. We are so focused on complaining about things we do not have that we lose sight of the things we do have. There is a lot to be thankful for. Then continuous education. It is the generally believe that we get educated in schools and colleges. We receive a lot of information in schools and colleges. We do need information. Intellectual education influences the head and value-based education influences the heart. In fact, education that does not train the heart can be dangerous. If we want to build character in our offices, homes and society, we must achieve a minimum level of moral and ethical literacy. Education that builds fundamental traits of character such as honesty, compassion, courage, persistence and responsibility is absolutely essential. We do not need more academic education. We need more value-based education. Positive self-esteem. Self-esteem is the way we feel about ourselves. When we feel good within, our performance goes up and our relationships improve both at home and at work. There is direct correlation between our feelings and behavior. If you want to build a positive self-esteem quickly, one of the fastest way is to do something for those who cannot repay you in case of kind. We do not live in isolation. What you do affects me and what I do affects you. We are connected. We have to realize that we are sharing this planet and we must learn to behave responsibly. Two kinds of people, givers and takers. Takers eat well, givers sleep well. Givers have a high self-esteem, a positive attitude, and they serve the society. Avoid negative influences. Impressionable minds get influenced by adult behavior and media. Peer pressure affects not only children and teenagers, it is also prevalent in adults. It shows a lack of self-esteem when people do not have the courage to say no, thank you, and stay away from negative influences. Do not let negative people drag you down. Remember that a person's character is not only judged by the company they keep, but also by the company they avoid. Start your day with positive. Read or listen to something positive first thing in the morning. After a good night's sleep, we are relaxed and our subconscious is receptive. In order to bring about change, we need to make a conscious effort and be committed to make positive thoughts and behavior part of our lives. Practice having positive thoughts and behavior daily until they become a habit. To conclude, if you are going to change your life, you need to start immediately. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you will be doomed if you don't try. So, look for the positive, make a habit of doing it now, develop an attitude of gratitude, create a continuous education program for yourself, build positive self-esteem, stay away from negative influences, start the day with positive.